Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a to-do app using JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a simple to-do app from scratch using only JavaScript. Let's get started. First, let's create an HTML file and add the necessary elements to build our to-do app. We'll need an input field to capture the to-do items and a button to add the item to our list. We'll also need an unordered list to display our to-do items. Here's the HTML code. Now, let's move on to the JavaScript code. First, we'll need to capture the input field and button elements using their IDs. Here's the JavaScript code. This code creates a new list item element and sets its inner text to the value of our input field. It then appends the new list item to our unordered list and clears the input field. And that's it. We've just created a simple to-do app using JavaScript. You can customize it further by adding features like deleting items, editing items, or marking items as completed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.